Unboxing with the boys.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with the Boys. I'm Brent.
I'm Adam.
And today we're unboxing the Spyclops camera. Now this is the Spyclops IP camera. The correct part number is SPY-BLTG for gray, W for white, 3IP4. So this is our fourth series in the IP cameras.
Correct.
Now, I am not as familiar with this product as Adam is, so I'm going to open the box and he's going to tell us about it.
All right. So this is actually the third generation. It's a 4 megapixel. So if you'll go ahead and start opening it up, I'll go ahead
you're
and
much smarter than I am
start
right out
talking
of the
about
gate.
it for that.
So right out of the
guys,
gate.
This is going to have your night vision LEDs. It's going to have your 4 megapixel resolution. It's also
Which is?
varifocal. 4 megapixel would be oh gosh, you're going to ask me this question.
Yes, I am.
2566 by something else, and I don't remember, but we can find out for you, and it will be down here at the bottom. So,
Ooh, now, right out of the gate, we have this beautiful packaging because we know delivery services are not as careful as you want.
Right.
So it's well protected with lots of foam inside, thick foam front, back, and side, and top. Ooh, check it out. We've got quick setup user guide,
right.
a warranty card, and please fill those out and send them in, and a template. The template is for the back.
For the mounting point. Yep.
And we'll get to that in a second. So, what are those for, young man?
So this will go on the end. This is the cap for the end where you're going to plug in your category wire, and this actually will cover up that to make it sure that it's weather resistant.
Ah.
So you'll make sure you have that.
Wait a minute, there's more?
And you have your mounting screws, and also if you're mounting into something that the screws don't get a good hold of, you do have the concrete toggles pins for that. So you've got that there as well. And there's also a tool, hex tool, for doing any kind of modifications to the camera itself.
Is that also for adjusting the zoom and the focus?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so next up we have the camera. I'm going to take this out and put the box aside. Ooh, nice box, lots of good colors.
Good box.
Okay, so another bit of protecting here. We've got the plastic condom to make sure the camera is thoroughly protected. Ooh, look at that. Lens protection right there. Nice clear plastic. Protect the IRs and the lens from damage and scratches.
Right.
Universal mounting.
Yep.
Sunshade that's adjustable front and back.
Yep. And so on here, remember also this is a PoE powered or 12 volt 1 amp powered as well.
Lots of flexibility.
Lots of flexibility. So guys, this is our SPY-BLTG3IP4 or W3IP4. It is available now, so ask your rep or go online and take a look at it.
Check us out on all the usual social media sites.
Yep.
Facebook, YouTube, and www.metrahometheater.com. I'm Brent.
I'm Adam.
Thank you.